So what are your message to your friend Nadine since you will going to leave her and you will go home to the Philippines? English,
Good
please.
luck.
One word. One word.
Good luck.
And what else? My gosh.
Maybe see you next year.
Heartfelt kayo. And so,
And
what are your plans when you go home, La?
you go.
La? Ano na may la? This last question. So, what can you say about our trip here in Taipei?
It's crazy.
Why? Why crazy?
Well, let's go there. Okay.
Hoy! Ikaw ba? In na ng video ba?